It has been 7 long years since Fujifilm shook up the photography world with the X Pro 3. For a while, as the camera was discontinued and radio silence followed, many pure photographers and street shooters feared that the iconic digital rangefinder lineup was dead. But internal engineering roadmaps and verified supply chain leaks tell a completely different story. Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on one of the most highly anticipated, fiercely debated premium camera releases of the decade, the upcoming Fujifilm X Pro 4. This is not just a minor refresh or a safe, iterative update. Fujifilm is completely overhauling its flagship rangefinder line to fix its most controversial design decisions while packing it with next-generation professional power. If you have been saving up for a high-end, analog-inspired powerhouse, or if you have been eyeing a Leica but could not justify the staggering price tag, you need to hear what is coming. We have cross-verified the technical specifications, the structural chassis changes, and the official release timeline for the United States and premium international markets. Let us start with the beating heart of this machine, the sensor. For years, the X Pro series was celebrated for its film-like rendering and compact footprint, but it lagged slightly behind the raw resolution demands of modern commercial and hybrid creators. The X Pro 4 completely shatters that ceiling by jumping to the powerhouse 40.2-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, paired seamlessly with the high-efficiency X Processor 5. What does this mean for your images? You are getting the exact same ultra-high-resolution clarity found in flagship bodies like the X-T5 and X-H2, but wrapped inside a stealthy, street-ready rangefinder chassis. This sensor is an absolute beast for fine detail, allowing you to crop in aggressively without sacrificing image quality, which is a massive win for street and documentary photographers who need to reframe a candid moment on the fly. And for the ultimate landscape or studio archival work, the inclusion of the 160-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode means this compact rangefinder can output medium format levels of detail when locked down on a tripod, but high resolution is nothing without stability. And this brings us to one of the biggest engineering milestones for the X Pro lineup. For the first time in the history of the series, Fujifilm has successfully custom-engineered an in-body image stabilization system into the slim profile of the X Pro body. Supply chain leaks confirm a staggering 7 to 8 stops of hardware-based stabilization. Historically, adding stabilization meant bloating the physical size of the camera, which is why purists were terrified that an stabilized X Pro would feel like a brick. Fujifilm's engineers managed to shrink the stabilization mechanism to maintain the camera's iconic, slim ergonomics. For low-light street photography, this is a total game-changer. You will be able to shoot handheld at absurdly slow shutter speeds in the dead of night, keeping your ISO low and your images pristine without ever needing to carry a tripod. Now, we have to talk about the design choice that completely polarized the community on the previous generation. The X Pro 3 featured a hidden rear LCD screen that forced you to flip it down to see your images, a choice meant to encourage looking through the viewfinder. You either absolutely loved it for its distraction-free analog feel, or you completely hated it because it hindered modern shooting workflows. According to the latest design blueprints, the era of the hidden screen is officially over. Fujifilm has listened to working professionals and hybrid creators, replacing the hidden flip-down screen with a highly requested, ultra-low-profile, 3-way tilting LCD screen. This design mirrors the versatility of the X-T5, giving you the ability to easily shoot from low or high angles in both landscape and portrait orientations. To appease the purists who fell in love with the minimalist aesthetic, internal rumors suggest Fujifilm might introduce a dedicated film simulation dial or a secondary, e-ink-style sub-monitor on the body, similar to what we have seen on advanced concept designs. This ensures you still get that classic retro look without sacrificing the modern utility of a fully functional tilting screen. Speaking of viewfinders, the legendary hybrid optical and electronic viewfinder system, the definitive signature of the X Pro line, is receiving a massive hardware boost. Photographers who love the organic, real-world feel of an optical finder will appreciate the refined overlays and improved parallax correction. But when you switch over to the electronic viewfinder, you are greeted by a breathtaking 5.76 million OLED panel. This is a massive leap forward in resolution, offering incredible clarity, lifelike color accuracy, and zero noticeable lag, ensuring you can judge your exposure and focus perfectly before you ever press the shutter. Beneath the retro exterior lies a cutting-edge computing architecture driven by advanced deep learning artificial intelligence. The X Pro 4 features an intelligent hybrid autofocus matrix with next-generation subject tracking. Sourced straight from Fujifilm's fifth-generation computational algorithms, this system locks onto human faces, eyes, animals, vehicles, and fast-moving objects with relentless accuracy. For street shooters navigating chaotic city environments, or documentary filmmakers tracking subjects through unpredictable lighting and backlit environments, this intelligence-driven autofocus guarantees you will never miss a critical moment due to focus hunting. While the X Pro series has traditionally been viewed as a photographer's tool, the X Pro 4 is making an unexpected massive push into cinema-grade video. Fujifilm is positioning this camera as the ultimate luxury hybrid tool. Leaked internal roadmaps reveal the camera will support internal 6.2K video recording, alongside robust 4K at 60 frames per second in 4.2.2 10-bit color. With support for professional codecs and external RAW output via HDMI, documentary filmmakers and commercial content creators can seamlessly integrate this compact camera into high-end production workflows. To support these heavy processing demands, Fujifilm is upgrading the power department. The camera is moving away from the older, smaller batteries to the higher-capacity NPW235 battery. Despite the larger battery, the chassis remains remarkably compact, constructed from a robust, weather-sealed magnesium alloy designed to withstand the harshest environments. So, when can you actually get your hands on this digital rangefinder masterpiece, and how much is it going to cost? Cross-verified reports from trusted supply chain analysts indicate that the X Pro 4 will not launch before the highly anticipated XT6. Instead, it is firmly locked into Fujifilm's late 2026 roadmap, with an official global announcement highly expected between October and December of 2026. The upcoming Fujifilm X Pro 4 represents the perfect marriage of analog soul and digital dominance. It respects the heritage of the rangefinder form factor while refusing to compromise on modern technological advancements. It fixes the ergonomics, supercharges the resolution, introduces industry-leading stabilization, and delivers a hybrid video performance that no one saw coming. Thank you for watching this exclusive breakdown on TapTech. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and receive the absolute latest, most authentic premium camera leaks, hardware specifications, and deep dive technology roadmaps, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to smash the like button to support the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know down in the comments your thoughts on the new design. Are you thrilled to see the return of the tilting screen? Or do you miss the hidden screen of the past? We will see you in the very next video.